I'm Emerson. Everyone is unique. Genetic abnormalities are just another example of what makes people so beautiful and unique. Often we see differences like albinism or vitiligo and we think something is wrong. My presentation is meant to inform you about those genetic abnormalities so next time you encounter them, you won't fear them. What is albinism? Albinism is the loss of pigmentation in your melanin and melanocyte cells. Your melanin and melanocyte cells are what give your hair, skin, and eyes pigmentation, so the loss of pigmentation in those cells will cause your skin to be lighter, your hair to be white, and your eyes to be pink. It's more of an inherited condition rather than an illness, so it can't be prevented or cured. When you hear the word albino, that usually means that person, animal, or thing has albinism. Then there's vitiligo. Vitiligo is a lot like albinism. It's caused by the same thing. It looks very similar too, except it's not full body. It's just patches of white skin all over your body. It, like albinism and piebaldism, cannot be cured and cannot be prevented. Unlike albinism, it doesn't occur at birth, but it will develop throughout any person's lifetime. Next, there's piebaldism. Piebaldism is a lot like albinism and vitiligo. It's just more concentrated in one area, your head. It's in your hair, so like Anna from Frozen and Storm from X-Men, they both have piebaldism. It's a white streak through your hair and patches on your face. It will leave you more susceptible to a lot of skin cancers and sunburns because you won't have the correct protections and pigmentations in that specific area to protect you from that. It, like the other two, cannot be prevented or cured, but it does occur at birth, like albinism. Lastly, there's heterochromia. Heterochromia is when you have two different colored eyes. Eye color is caused by the distribution of melanin into your iris, so when that is off, it could cause two different colored eyes. So light blue eyes have little amounts of melanin, and brown eyes have excessive amounts. Green and hazel eyes land right in the middle, which is where I am. Heterochromia Iridium is where you have two different colored eyes in one eye. So it's caused by the same thing. The concentration and distribution of melanin is incorrect, so causing two different colored eyes. Heterochromia or Heterochromia Iridium can also be caused by an injury. Say you got punched in the face, more specifically punched in the eye. That could cause heterochromia. It could mess up your eye, mess up your iris, and it could cause a different colored eye after the swelling goes down. Albinism, vitiligo, piebaldism, and heterochromia are all just examples of what makes this world so beautiful and unique. So next time you encounter them, don't fear them. Embrace them.